viewers, and shift our focus to another big story of the day. Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has escalated his attack on the BJP after election results. He claims BJP is stealing votes, seats, as well as governments. A day after, he cautioned party colleagues and other opposition leaders against celebrating TMC's defeat in Bengal. He launched a broadside against the BJP, claiming that every sixth BJP MP in the Lok Sabha out of 240 MPs has won through vote chori. And in fact, he has accused the BJP of stealing votes. He has said votes are stolen to nick seats, sometimes governments as well. Every sixth Lok Sabha BJP MP has won through vote theft, he's claimed. And he has also said it's not hard to spot infiltrators from 240 BJP MPs that are there in the Lok Sabha. It's a regime of infiltrators in Haryana, he has claimed. And he's also said if elections are fair, then BJP will not be able to cross even 140 seats. Not just this, he even went on to say on X that institutions tampering with voter lists and the electoral process are also remote controlled. So these are some of the allegations that have been made by leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. BJP has now hit back at Rahul Gandhi, saying that Congress party is getting decimated under his leadership, election after election. And instead of finding excuses, he must introspect. Listen in.
What vote chori does Mr. Rahul Gandhi talk about? His party is getting decimated under his leadership, election after election. And where his governments have been formed, they are going bankrupt because they are unable to have good economic policies. So Mr. Rahul Gandhi has to actually introspect on his leadership rather than finding excuses and always blaming.
If somebody's brain gets stolen, how to recover it? But the point is, how can brain get stolen if it is not there at the very first place? Because autistic people don't have that. Courtesy God. Yes, there is a case of citizenship theft, which is going on. There is also a case of forged addition in the voter list when you were not the citizen. The cases are going on. So I have no sympathies for autistic like you.
Now, some allies of the Congress have come out in support of Rahul Gandhi. SP compared BJP to CIA, saying that Rahul Gandhi, whatever he's saying is absolutely right. CPI said claims about West Bengal are true, and this is a new style of booth capturing. Listen in.
देखिए, CIA जैसे पूरी दुनिया के बहुत सारे देशों में सरकारों का अपहरण करती थी, वहाँ के नेताओं को बदनाम करना, स्मीयर कैंपेन चलाना, उन्हें डिस्क्रेडिट करना। CIA के उसी मॉडल पे बीजेपी आरएसएस इस देश में काम कर रही है। आदरणीय राहुल जी LOP हैं, उन्होंने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा है कि कैसे कोई सरकार को अपहरण किया जाए। पश्चिम बंगाल उसका उदाहरण है। क्या अगर 25 लाख लोग वोटिंग राइट्स का उनको अधिकार होता तो बीजेपी आरएसएस की पश्चिम बंगाल में सरकार बन सकती थी? आगे आने वाले दिनों में कोई भी ऐसी हरकत, कोई भी ऐसी एक्टिविटी बीजेपी आरएसएस की इंडिया ब्लॉक के किसी भी दल के द्वारा बर्दाश्त नहीं की जाएगी।
Vote chori or whatever they may be, it's a reality in West Bengal. For example, 27 lakh voters who live in the soil of West Bengal, who breathe there, who eat there, were denied from exercising their franchise. This is a harsh reality. And the BJP's, if you compare BJP's victory and this, the number of voters who are excluded from the lists, it's very shocking. And it was a managed victory only. It's a kind of, new type of booth capturing which is happening in West Bengal.
With this, we will slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.